Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have whatever update this is for the supernatural project pan that I am doing with my girl Amanda. This is called Pan Interrupted, and that's just a play off of one of their episodes called Sam Interrupted. And the reason we chose that as the title is because we are doing all of these supernatural episodes because we're crazy. This is a rolling project that, you know, Amanda and I have chosen to do together. I am a very big fan of Supernatural, and Amanda used to watch it, and I kind of convinced her to start watching it again, and she's loving it because, you know, there were some lulls in certain seasons, but it's just an amazing show. And I'm so happy that she is doing this with me because it lets me be a nerd, and I don't have to be a nerd alone. So we started with the first 6 episodes. As we finish a product with an episode, we will roll that out, and then we will go on to the next episode in line. And of course, we're still on season 1 because we just started this on August 19th, I believe. So yeah, we're just starting it. So it's going to be going on forever. There's just under 300 episodes, so this is going to go on forever. So anywho, I do have some empties. I do. And I'm happy about that because that means I get to roll new stuff in. The first empty that I have was for the episode Wendigo, which happened at Blackwater Ridge. I chose a black product, which is this Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. And I liked it. This was the second one that I have used. The first one was a lot drier than this one. And didn't last as long, and I got them at the same time, so I don't know why that is. I don't know if they just put more in, you know, some deluxes than others, but they definitely didn't perform the same. The second one, this one, I actually really liked. Probably wouldn't buy it because of the price point, but I did enjoy it. All right, so that one is done, and the next one that I finished up was for the episode Skin, which is about a shapeshifter. So I chose a skincare product. This is the Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask, and it restores your skin while sleeping. Looks like this. It's by Sue A.E. It was okay. It was just okay. This foil probably lasted me 3 weeks. And it was a lot of masking. I probably used this as a sleeping mask a few times a week, and then every night I would put it on my neck, just, you know, because we don't want the neck to look old. So this had a ton of product in it, like an absolute ton. I want to see, it says it's only 10 grams or a little over 1/3 of an ounce, but that goes a very, very long way. So I probably wouldn't buy that again. It was, like I said, just okay. All right, the next episode and product is Hookman. He was an invisible spirit, had a silver hook, and I chose this Sephora mask. Let's see, it's the Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying, and it was a silvery color. There's just the tiniest little bit of, you know, residue left in there, and it was okay. Probably not something I would buy, but I did enjoy it. It definitely has like an earthy green dirt kind of smell. I don't know how else to explain it. I mean, it's a mud mask, so it definitely smelled like dirt, but it had like a green smell to it, almost like crushed leaves or something like that. Didn't have any like weird particles or anything in it like that, but that had that kind of a smell to it. All right. Moving on to what I still have in and which episodes they belong to. I have 3 products that I'm rolling over. I still have not touched my my product from the pilot episode, and that was this Philosophy Hope in a Jar. I chose a white packaging because that's where they introduced the woman in white. I will have that done by the next update. That is my promise to you. I will have that done. All right. Dead in the Water, I wanted to choose a liquid or water type product, and I chose the Ulta Matte Setting Spray like this. It was brand new when I brought it in. I was here at the red line last update, and I am down here at the gold line. I will have that done by the next update. I am sure of it. This next one, not so much. This is for the episode Bugs. This is the Skin So Soft Gentle Breeze. It's a moisturizing and cooling gel that has a bug repellent, an SPF. It's got everything. It's got aloe, you name it. It's got it all in this one thing. I was, if it'll focus, I was at the red line here. Now I'm at the gold line, so I am definitely using it. This is not going to be a quick product. It is not. But I've been spending a little bit more time outside because it's not as hot. And this time of year, there's a lot of like mosquitoes, and you can still get burned this time of year. So SPF is good for you. So I'm still working on that. Definitely not going to be done by the next update, but you know, it's going to be here. It's going to be here. All right, moving on. We are adding in 3 new episodes and 3 new products because we finished 3 products for episodes. The first episode in line is Home. Pardon me, still getting over my cold. And the mother in this episode, her name is Jenny. So I chose the Buxom lip gloss in the color Jennifer. Hopefully you can see that. It is Jennifer. It is brand new for the mother in the episode whose name is Jenny. This is bright pink. I don't think I've ever even swatched this. Nope, I haven't. Let me swatch it for you. Let me swatch it. Oh, it's not that bad. It's a lot more sheer than you would think it is. I can do that, no problem. Y'all know I'm not a pink kind of girl, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. I'm going to wipe that off so I'm not wearing it all over my body. All right, the next one is for the episode Asylum, and that is where the doctor performs torture therapy. Doesn't that sound pleasant? I want some torture therapy. Not. So I chose something with the word therapy in it. This is the Amplixin hair support system. It's a scalp therapy shampoo. It helps to moisturize dry scalp. It cleans the follicles, promotes healthy hair. It's infused with tea tree oil, which y'all know I love my tea tree oil. It is sulfate and paraben free. Never used it. It was sent to me for review like 2 years ago, and I never even tried it. And you guys never even heard about it. I just, you know, I was using so much other stuff. So you guys might actually get a review on this. Well, you will get a review on it after I'm done using it. All right, the last episode is for Scarecrow. And that was a scary episode where they perform sacrifices to a tree, a very evil tree. And so I picked something with a tree on it. And that is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. A bunch of us got this in Sephora Play a month or 2 ago, and as soon as I saw it, I'm like, that is going in Pan Interrupted. Supernatural needs a tree. So, there you have it. That is my episodes. That is my products. I can't talk. I never can talk. I got problems. Anyway, those are my 6. Go check out my girl. Check out my link down below. She is my sister from another mister. All that good stuff. My wayward sister. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. I don't know what's going on with me lately. My brain, non-functional. It seems like every time I wear green, and I've been wearing green a lot lately, I have issues. I have issues. I've been on this green kick, and I think it's kicked me in the brain. So I'm wrapping this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.